Hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry and discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text-to-video conversation using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also the full training. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top-selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers just by copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this is you and your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my steps. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and make up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that that's all out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. Let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Let's face it, with 2024 entering its second half, it's no surprise that more and more businesses are using artificial intelligence wisely to capture your audience's attention and making tons of money with each sunrise. And this trend will continue to prosper in the coming years. Even the world's best companies like Microsoft, Tesla, Facebook, Google, etc. are investing huge money into using artificial intelligence to grow their business. So, if you're tired of making zero money on the internet and want to end your financial struggles once and for all, stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Hi, I'm Sandy Nyack, and along with my team of skilled developers and marketers, I've created 125 plus value-based products for my 50,000 plus customers over the last 7 years in this industry. With time, I've learned that in order to succeed in the digital marketing arena, you need to find a way that works over and over again. And without any doubt, using artificial intelligence is something that all marketers, no matter big or small, need to use smartly in order to grow their businesses. So stay tuned for the next 7 minutes to this video, as in this short video, you're going to discover a brand new 100% newbie-friendly technology that creates 100 plus passive income streams using the huge power of artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience, without doing anything at your end or without paying thousands of dollars to expensive third parties. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly content writers or video creators, without depending on existing third-party platforms, etc., once and for all, without waiting weeks for results, without doing any manual work, without having any prior experience. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting Intelli AI Kit. First to market technology that creates 100 plus passive income streams using the huge power of artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience. Intelli AI Kit removes all the guesswork and ensures that every single piece of content you create is successful and profitable right away. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step number 1, log in. Step number 2, create using 120 plus AI tools. Step number 3, publish and profit. Here's just a few of the countless benefits that Intelli AI Kit does for you. Create descriptions for Amazon products that rank on the first page of the search results. Write engaging product titles that will make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices that keep users coming back for more. Create enticing article or blog introductions that capture the attention of your audience. Rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. Create professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines that help you engage leads and customers. Write catchy and convincing headlines to make your Facebook ads stand out from the rest. Creating ads with unique and appealing titles that entice people to click on your ad and make purchases. Professional and eye-catching ad descriptions that will make your product shine. Build attention-grabbing, click-inducing, and high-converting ad headlines for LinkedIn. Rewrite your existing content to include more keywords and boost your search engine rankings. Engaging and persuasive stories that will capture your readers' attention and interest. Generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup in seconds. Write short, simple, and informative points for the subheadings of your article. Extend short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. Change the tone of your writing to match your audience and copy. Generate tweets using AI that are relevant and on trend. Catchy and persuasive YouTube descriptions that help your videos rank higher. Video outlines that are a breeze to create and uber engaging. Catchy titles that will attract more views and increase the number of shares. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Now you too can be making money with artificial intelligence and living a stress-free life like you always wanted. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then Intelli AI Kit is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a lower price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So, it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. Intelli AI Kit will soon be sold for a monthly and yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So, you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Click on the button below this video to get Intelli AI Kit for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.